Dereti ya shukari uri na ushukeri niyoete mwerekera mweru hogere hutitio igetetera o ministry na murugamo wayo.
Our witnesses, I think they should be.
Jumatatu ya umuthi kamiti ya hamwe ya wajoria na urimi kinyita ugani minister wa urimi Mwangi Kiunjuri, Henry Rotich wa Kigina, Aden Mohamed wa Igada na murunawe wa agiteri wa thini Fred Matiang'i uri utaigana gwikinya mbere ya kamiti no gwithirani uri shukari uri urekwo gukorwo utakinyanire ikiro wa kinyire guku bururi-ini. Agitetera ministry yake minister wa urimi Mwangi Kiunjuri augire kureho shukari kuma bururi-ini matari gitaru-ini gia Komesa washugiro na itangatho namba 45-36 ngathĩti-inĩ ya thirikari rĩrĩa rĩaheire kanya hũri biacara rĩa gĩcunjĩ kinene kĩao gĩtarĩ kĩhe marũa nĩ thirikari kurehe shukari bururi-ini hatarĩ igoti kuma na ng'aragu ĩrĩa president anĩrĩire ta ũgwati kũrĩ bururi. Ndeto ikĩhithũka hanĩho kahũa gatũrĩa nĩ mekeruĩire.
Now Busia cannot even be able to have a big factory that can be able to crush more cane. That is the status of Busia County. We want, Chairman, just give me a minute. This is affecting our people.
That's a very substantive question, and I think we will also give you an opportunity to do that.
He needs to tell us, because the boss of AFA is here, why Busia Sugar has been denied a license, yet a smaller company that crushes less cane has been allowed to be taking this bigger company to court.
The Gazette notice allowed everybody to import. Does it mean that AFA stopped issuing licenses, or anyone, even without the license, could import the sugar?
There was no discrimination, there was no favorism. The window was opened to everyone, and nobody was limited to how much you are going to import.
Kuringana na Kiunjuri, bururi uri na uhoti wa kuruta tani 600 cia shukari ona gutuika gwabataranikaga tani 800. Kamiti ino ikihithuria shukari uria wakinyire bururi-ini ni tani milioni 1.2 umwe wa shukari uyu ugikwirwo gukorwo ari umwe wa uria urerikana gukorwo utakinyanire ikiro ukirikana warutirwo Brazil mugaru na wiguano wa girimiti ya mabũrũri maria mari thiini wa Komesa. No munini wake minister wa Kigina Henry Rotich akauga ndoi ni amarehire shukari uyu kuna arehi matigana guthũrimwo na kinyi.
You have told us that you destroyed over 400,000 metric tons of sugar. 400. All right. Thank you. Can you tell us, the last one you destroyed, around 7 containers, belonged to who? And why did you destroy that consignment?
If there is sugar that comes in the country and does not meet the health standard, then certainly there was a problem in the inspection on the health, and so also on the standards.
Na thutha wa gwikirira nganja riboti ĩrĩa Rotich atemanire, kamiti ĩno yaiguanĩra kũmũhamũrithia akĩrĩkana ndarĩ na ũma na ndekwĩharĩrĩirie. Minister Fred Matiang'i nake ndaigana gwĩkinyia mbere ya kamiti ĩno. Onjoria arĩa mahĩtũkĩtio kĩwatho kũrĩa shukari kuma nja wa bũrũri no 12 no arĩa marehe shukari mareiganĩra 93 arĩa macukirwo kũrĩa shukari kiundutho mĩtaratara ona ũgaciru wa gũtekũrũmĩrĩrwo kuna amwe wa mahũra wa biacara ingĩ itakuruhainie na shukari o tiga rĩrĩ kanya gaka keyumĩririe.
Are you aware of a company called ED&F Man Commodities Limited, an international company which was involved in agricultural commodities, trading sugar, coffee, other many grains, that it was netted to have brought cocaine in the port of Mombasa. Smuggling in the bags of sugar. And yet, you guys, you went ahead, after even you gave this window, allowed it to bring in sugar.
Rĩu ministry ya Kigina na makiria Henry Rotich igĩkorwo haceke kuna Rotich niwe wekĩrire kirore kureho wa shukari kuma nja wa bũrũri. Kamiti ĩno ya hamwe ĩkaruta riboti yayo ya mũthia thutha wa thikũ 10. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.